Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's get started. So our today's question is from lead code. The question is reverse string. In this question we have to write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of character s. So let's first understand this question. So here we have an array. The elements in the array are H, E, L, L, O. Now what we have to do is we have to reverse this array. Let's take an example. If we have to reverse this array, then the last element will come at the first place. So O will come here, this L will come here, this L will come here, this E will come here, and this H will come here. So this is how our resultant array will look like. Now how will you solve this question? Let's look at the first approach. Now you may think that we will take an extra array and store these elements one by one. For example, we will start a for loop from here and store each element of this array to this array. For example, O will store here, L will store here, this L will store here, and this E here, and this H here. So our array is reversed. So this approach is good but not that much good because it is taking extra space in our memory. Now look at the second approach. So in the previous approach we have seen that approach is taking extra memory. So that is not that much good. Now can we think of the solution that will not take extra memory? So look at this approach. So what we will do some operation in this array and we will try to reverse this array. So let's take a pointer s that will point to the first element of the array and a pointer e that will point to the last element of the array. Now what we will do, we will swap these elements. For example, s is pointing to h and e is pointing to o. So what we will do, we will swap these elements. So after swapping, o will come here and h will come here. So this is how these two elements are swapped. Now what we will do, we will increase the value of s by 1 and we will decrease the value of e by 1. Now s will point to e and e will point to l. So now what we will do, we will swap these two elements. So e will come here and l will come here. So we have seen that our array is reversed. So this is the basic approach. Now we will code this approach. Now we will be coding the reverse string function, which is taking an array of character as input. First, what we'll have to do, we will be taking two pointers s and e. S will point to the first position in the array and e will point to the last position of the array. So let's take these pointers. In s equals to 0, it will point to the first element and e equals to a dot length minus 1. Now up to which condition we have to swap these elements, which s and e are pointing. So we will be taking a while loop. While s is less than e, we will be swapping these elements. Now since in Java we do not have any inbuilt swapping function, so we will be taking a variable temp and in this we will store the value of e, and in e we will be storing the value of s, and finally in s we will store temp. So this is how our elements are swapped. Now what we have to do is we have to increase the value of s by 1 and decrease the value of e by 1. So this is how our array is reversed. So this is all. So this is how our array will be reversed. Now let's run this code. Since it is giving the correct output, let's submit this code. So our solution is accepted. Hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.